Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make overload voice in Voice Changer with Effects app. But first I just want to mention, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I'm gonna show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, let's open the app. As we can see, here we have a lot of options. But first we need to record something. For record on audio file, we have to press the microphone icon. This is on the top center. And we have to say something. For example, let's say, hello guys, I will show you how to change your voice with this app. Now, we could choose from ton of different effects. For the overload effect, we have to scroll down to the bottom and we have to tap on the play button next to the overlord text.
Hello guys, I will show you how to change your voice with this app.
That's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye.